Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to disable call recording on iOS 18. So to do that, all you need to do is go to your settings here, then scroll all the way to the bottom to the applications. Then you can either search for the phone or come all the way down to the P section and find the phone here and press into that. Then you want to come down to the bottom here and you'll find call recording. Now this is only available on the latest iOS 18 and the iPhone 15 and later, I believe. So in the call section, as I am using an older iPhone, it is not here, but you should see call recording. If you have the latest iPhone, and all you need to do is tab into it. I'll select call forwarding and it'll be exactly the same as this, and you just need to tab this off so it's grey like that. So that's how to disable call recording on iOS 18 and later. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.